You'll have to bear with me till I can afford a guitar. So, anyway, I've written another song. This one's called To Win the Love of the Nightingale, and I hope you like it. Another long day coming home from working. Baby gonna play, impress me by twerking. And a sad, sad chav will let the world know the nightingale shall have her music video. Now a saint of a slag, cheaters and teases, do you fancy a shag? Or having diseases. I find it amazing as girls come and go. The words are gun blazing in a music video. You'll have to remind me that there's nothing wrong. As you're shaking your hiney, it's at least worth a song. You want to be a dancer, so I'm letting you know. This is my answer in a music video.